So as you can see, this is we're in Chalbi Desert, the middle. So recently we had rains. That's why you can see some white formations here, because this is salt that was coagulated. As you can see now here, on the layer it looks like the icing of the cake, and then beneath we have soil. So the upper part is salt. This is what they use to feed cows, supplement. So this is Chalbi Desert for you. This is a fun place to be. Kuja utembee Kenya uone how things are. Bora wanasema kunyeshi huku, hii ni matope. Matope kunyesha juzi. So it doesn't mean that Chalbi Desert there's no rain. There's rain. And that's what helps it form the salt. So you can see all that. It's a stretch of
tens of kilometers. Yeah.
You can take a whole 2 hours.
Yeah.
From one end to the other.
Yeah.
With a land cruiser like that one.
Yeah.
So that is Chalbi Desert for you. That is your reach.
Yeah.
Thank you.